Hello and welcome to venv Academy. My name is Xander. This course, Python Fundamentals Towards Django Development, is our entry-level course for beginners, for those looking to start to learn Python and the Django framework. In this course, we try and blend the fundamentals of the Python programming language with fundamentals of the Django framework. So therefore, learning Python and Django at the same time. This is a complete beginner's course, so if you are a complete beginner and you are thinking about learning Python or starting to think about learning Python, and you also want to start developing web applications using the Django framework, then this course may be suited for you. You can consume this course in two ways. First of all, check out our link in the video description to our YouTube edition playlist of this course. You can purchase this course on Udemy. On Udemy, you'll find the latest and updated tutorials, as well as assessments and additional resources. The link to the course, which will always provide you the best price, is again in the video description.